Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. We came back again to you guys in another video, and as you see here, what the market giving you here, what else we telling you yesterday, we telling you it's going to fall down, and that's what happened. As you see, the big spike down, but the good news, it's still holding here down, as you see it, guys. By the way, that candle, it's left for it 8 hours now, and it zoom it a little bit to see what is it there. As you see it, guys, it tried to give you here like a pin bar now, but it's not yet confirmed because the market, it's not yet finished, so we need to wait and more. And here in my chart, let me show it to you. Here in my chart, what you seeing, guys, what you see in here in that zone, it's showing like a big rejection here. That's when there is big people they buying from here, from that level here. Why? Because last time from here, from that zone, we got a stronger supply and demand zone. Came to it, he couldn't break it. Forget about the past, also we're talking only about here, about that smaller zone here. He couldn't break it. Now what the view, it might that one go and tell here, tell that zone here. But guys, that one, it might just a drop because it's coming, the interest rate of USA in 21. So be aware of those things. Don't be fooled. Don't try to enter now. It needs to give you here a price action indicating that the market is going to reverse. Till now, there is no price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. That one just a small candle and a daily candle. It hasn't finished it. So make a close eye at those things, me, I'm telling you guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put into videos, guys. Every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be informed about the Bitcoin, what it's doing right now from professional people, guys. From professional people, that the job of them, guys. So if you want to learn, you can join us here in YouTube and subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification, or you can join our Telegram channel. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend, and welcome to the family. And you, if you are a subscriber, make sure to smash the like button to help us to growing up more that channel. Did you smash it? And please write with it a comment if it's possible. It will not take you even 1 second, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. So as you see, guys, here our indicator, what it's doing. If you remember, it touched for us the upper here. And by the way, that one is a very long-term trend. So we've been followed from 2021, as you see it all the times. Now here, what's it indicating, guys? Look here with me very close here. What is indicating to you there? That indicator of us. It came here. He touched here, he came down here, and what did I told you before, if you remember? I told you he gave 3 up. How many he gave here? 1, 2. I think now it's going to go back to give you us 3. Then after that, we're going to see a major move down, guys. Till now is not yet. Till now, it's still time, guys. And by the way, that indicator of us, it's not in a place where to buy. It's still early, guys. It might, that candle which is happening now, it just a drop for you to enter long. There is nothing here indicating us is the right time to enter, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, as you see it, what it's doing here, we being here at the oversold area in that zone here. Now he came to that zone again. It's indicating that bullish pin bar. But that pin bar, it's left for it 8 hours, guys. That one me I'm talking about. It's left for it 8 hours. And that one, it came back, is going to here to the oversold area, guys. And here I show it to you before. What did I told you here? You got like that, like a trend line like that, guys. Hasn't touched it yet. So what that indicating to you? It's not yet, guys. It's not yet. It's need next to that candle here to confirm for you that candle is going to push up to come here, a green candle next to it. Everything is too clear, guys? Till now, it's not yet. It's still more time, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what 4 hours doing right now and what the market doing right now. By the way, did you smash the like button with you? Go ahead and do it, my friend. Smashing the like button help us to growing up more that channel. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in the 4 hours, guys, what you see in here? Make a close eye with me. What you see in here? First, here you got a very stronger level here. Second, here you got a very stronger level, guys. Yes or no? What the market done for you here? It breaking for you that level here. Yes, he came to that one here. He show here a rejection and he going back upward, guys. So what that indicating? It's indicating it's going to come here to touch here. Then after that, maybe it's going to drop again, guys. Why? And another thing here, what did I told you before? I told you you have here a wage like that. Yes or no? That's what also we said before. What it done for you here? Look very careful with me. What it done for you here? He came down, he break for you that wage here in that zone. Now he go back inside, he indicating that one is just a false breakout. And that candle which is going now, that one, let's zoom it like that. What you see in here, that candle it came tail here. But what it's indicating here, look at that peak here. Look at the tail. What it's indicating to you, that tail. And all that move who make it is the DXY or US dollar index because it reached to 20-year high. So it had to pick there. That's why you see that peak here in the Bitcoin, guys. And here that candle, as you see it, guys, it's pushing from up. That man, what that man? It man, the sellers, they still very powerful. And here, look with me about the volume, guys. About our friend. What you see in here? Who is winning? Look at the sellers. Look at those ones they buy compared to those ones they sell. Look here and look here. What you seeing? Who is winning here? It's still the sellers, guys. Sellers who still winning. So what that indicating to you? Is it the right time for you to buy? Of course not. And look here. Look here with me. Very close here. I'm going to zoom it to you for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Look here, that zone here, when it touch it, it reverse. Yes or no? Look here, the last time here, I'm not going to bring it from high. Here, what you seeing, guys? From here, last time, he peaked. He make like that. He came to it now. What it's showing here? That candle which is going now, that green one, that one. What it doing, guys? It came to that level. It showed rejection. So what that mean? That mean that peak will happen now. It just a trap. The market is going to fall down more than that, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. You get what I'm trying to tell you here? And in my chart, let me show it to you. What I got in my chart. What we got here, not the top of that channel, guys. Where is the lower of it? Still down here. Did it touch it? Not yet. And here, as you see it in that yellow level here, what it indicating to us? It's indicating to us there is a rejection there. And that very common thing when a support being broke is going to become a resistance. Where is the support? Is that yellow level here? Is getting broke here. Now the market go back to it. It needs to show there a rejection, guys. Everything is too clear. Now, what you need to know for you to be sure the market is going to reverse, that one is need to come and to break for you the last low, which is here, guys. And to come to touch for you the lower of that channel here, guys. Everything is too clear. It's our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. What it's saying, our indicator, guys. It touched down that level here of the overbought area, guys. Are you with me? And here what is indicating to you, guys, that indicator of us. Look at that. It's indicating here a big hiding divergence, guys. What that mean? That mean there is a correction going to come, but not yet, guys. It needs to give us here a small divergence like that for us to enter long. That means it's still another crash in the market. Then after that, maybe it's going to go higher, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? So not yet, guys. It's still more time, more room to fall down. Everything is too clear here. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, it enter here at the oversold area and it become red here. What did I told you me before, and I repeated thousands times? I told you need to be in a supply and demand zone. Yes, you are in one here. Because look, from here, from that zone here, that one, last time we move all that. So that one is a supply and demand zone, guys. Now the market came down and touch it here. Now there is a move is going to come. That's sure, guys. But where is the price action here in the chart? Look with me, that one, that wage, guys. That the only price action is it in the market there. And another one, you can even come like that and you draw in a trend line like that from that last high here and that one here. You see it, it's break it? No, guys. It came to it here and he's showing here a rejection. So is it the right time for you to buy? Of course not. And if we done that one here, what you got here down, like that. You got a triangle, guys. It hasn't break the triangle up or down. So that indicator of OCS is indicating to you you are in a level to start buying, but there is no price action here in the chart indicating for you is the right time for you to buy. Everything is too clear, guys. So here in the chart you got 3 patterns or price actions. You got that one and that one here, like that, a wedge like that. You got another one from here, like that, and like that. And you got the third one is that one. Trade any one of them, but it needs to break for you high, guys. If it doesn't break, there is no entry yet. Everything is too clear here, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what 30 minutes doing right now for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here in our friend 30 minutes, guys, what you see in here? Here, look with me. Here. That's a head and shoulder, guys. Yes or no? I'm talking here about 30 minutes for scalpers. You are here in a very stronger level. If breaking for you the head and shoulder, you enter long. What is going to be the take profit of you? Here. Did it hit it? Yes, of course. Look at that. That's how also teaching you guys. What is indicating now? Now, when the market is going now live, look at it. Let's zoom it like that. What is indicating to you, those candles here? Those ones, what is indicating, guys? It's indicating you came to a level here and the market started reversing, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Why? Because a support, when it's being broken, is going to become like a resistance. Look, the support. Where is the support? Is here. That one here is a support, and here is a support. It's be getting broke here, fall down. He touch another support here. Now he go back to test the old support. Now that support is become resistance, guys. What it need to do now? It is going to fall down to give you another low. It's our indicator to see if it's at the right time or not yet. Our indicator, guys, what's indicating to you? You being here at the oversold area, that head and shoulder, you enter long. I think it's still more room to go up, guys. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's still going up till the 200 moving average maybe. Because that one, it hasn't become here at the overbought area, guys. So what the Bitcoin is going to do now is going to go higher, guys. It's going to go higher till the overbought area here. Everything is too clear. What did I do? How I analyze the market, guys? Daily, 4 hours, 30 minutes. 30 minutes, it give you what the market doing right now, today, in the day. 4 hours, what it doing? It give you a medium picture. Daily, it give you long-term picture. In the daily, it's not yet. 4 hours, it can be yes, but the price action, it's not yet confirmed. Here in 30 minutes, it give you a price action, and it's breaking for you, and it's going now to the overbought, guys. But what you need to make a close eye at that level where you are here. That one here. It needs to be broken like that, guys. And when it's being broken, because now is a resistance. When it's being broken here, it needs the market to go up and to come to it to act like a support. Everything is too clear, guys? You understand what I'm saying? So that's it for today's video, guys. See you in the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.